The future can feel overwhelming sometimes, especially when we hear constant stories about rapid technology, AI breakthroughs, and big global changes. But what if the future, and especially the future of AI, is actually more gentle, supportive, and calming than we imagine? Tonight, let's slow everything down. Let's take a breath and explore how artificial intelligence is shaping a world that's quieter, smarter, healthier, and surprisingly peaceful. Because beyond the headlines, there's an entire side of AI that exists simply to make life easier, lighter, and more human. Before we begin, go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. It helps the channel, and it tells YouTube you prefer calm, thoughtful content over chaos. Now, let's drift into the future together. Here are 25 deeply relaxing facts about the future of AI. 25 Relaxing Expanded AI. Future facts. 25. AI will take over boring tasks, not human purpose. Contrary to scary headlines, AI is not expected to replace humanity. It's expected to replace exhaustion. Think about paperwork, scheduling, data entry, and repetitive tasks that drain your time. In the future, AI will quietly handle these in the background while you focus on the work that actually matters: creativity, problem solving, helping others, building relationships, enjoying life. AI frees up your time. It doesn't steal your identity. 24. AI will help reduce global stress and burnout. AI-powered wellness tools are already helping people sleep better, calm anxiety, and track emotional patterns. Future systems will be even more intuitive. Apps that sense rising stress and guide you through breathing. Smart homes that dim the lights when you're overwhelmed. Wearables that detect emotional fatigue and suggest breaks. Personalized therapy available 24/7. Imagine a world where mental health support is as accessible as checking the weather. 23. Doctors and AI will work together for earlier detection of disease. AI can't replace doctors, but it can catch what human eyes sometimes miss. Future systems will can spot early signs of cancer, predict heart issues years in advance, read scans with flawless precision, flag unusual symptoms in seconds. Doctors will still make decisions. AI will just give them superhuman assistance. 22. Every child will have a personalized learning system. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at the perfect pace for them. AI tutors of the future will understand how each child learns best, adjust difficulty automatically, offer personalized explanations, track progress in real time, build confidence instead of pressure. Education will become more compassionate and less stressful. 21. AI will break language barriers with real-time translation. We're moving toward a world where you can speak your language and someone across the world hears theirs. Instant translation will become seamless, accurate, emotionally aware, built into phones, glasses, and earbuds. A future where no one feels left out of the conversation. 20. Homes will feel more like peaceful sanctuaries. AI-powered homes will anticipate your needs. Temperature set to your exact comfort. Lighting that matches your mood. Soft music that follows you room to room. Smart appliances that work quietly in the background. Security that watches over you without being invasive. Your home will become a calm retreat from the busy world. 19. AI will help save endangered species from extinction. Future conservation tools will use drones, sound recognition, and pattern tracking to stop poaching, predict ecosystem threats, monitor animal health, restore damaged habitats. AI will help heal the planet, not harm it. 18. AI therapy will provide emotional support anytime, anywhere. AI counselors won't replace human ones. They'll support them. They'll make mental health accessible for late-night anxiety, lonely moments, panic attacks, burnout recovery, emotional check-in. Imagine having emotional support that never sleeps, never judges, and never gets overwhelmed. 17. Traffic jams will slowly fade away. AI will predict congestion before it forms, reroute cars automatically, prioritize emergency vehicles, sync traffic lights, and real-time roads will become safer, quieter, and far less stressful. 16. AI will make cities safer without being invasive. Future AI systems will detect fires before they spread, predict flood zones, identify unsafe infrastructure, alert rescue teams instantly. AI doesn't watch people, it observes patterns to protect communities. 15. Creative people will collaborate with AI, not compete with it. Artists, writers, and musicians won't be replaced. Instead, AI will help them brainstorm ideas, visualize concepts, refine compositions, break creative blocks. AI is a tool, human imagination remains the spark. 14. AI will improve sleep quality for millions. Your bedroom will synchronize with your biology, lighting that dims gently, AI that tracks your REM cycles, white noise personalized to your brain, temperature control that adjusts throughout the night. Rest will become easier, deeper, and more rejuvenating. 13. iCompanions will help seniors live independent, fulfilling lives. Companion robots will remind seniors to take medication, detect falls immediately, call family if something seems wrong, provide gentle conversation, reduce loneliness. Aging will become more dignified and less isolating. 12. Agriculture will become more sustainable and less harmful. AI will guide farming so precisely that water waste drops dramatically, fertilizer is used sparingly, crop disease is caught early, food becomes healthier and cheaper, feeding the world will demand fewer resources. 11. AI-powered ocean bots will clean up marine pollution. Imagine thousands of tiny robots gliding through the water, removing years plastic, oil, toxic waste. This already exists, and future versions will clean millions of tons silently and efficiently. 10. AI will eliminate many everyday stressors. Forget passwords, file organization, appointment scheduling, bill reminders, manual calendar management. AI will automate the mental clutter we carry daily. 9. AI will create personalized wellness routines for each individual. Health will no longer be guesswork. AI will analyze genetics, habits, sleep, stress levels, activity, biomarkers, and deliver a plan designed specifically for you. 8. Weather prediction will become incredibly accurate. Future AI systems can predict storms days earlier, map micro-weather patterns, prevent natural disaster deaths, guide emergency evacuations perfectly. Communities will feel safer and more prepared. 7. AI assistants will feel like supportive friends, not creepy or controlling, helpful and intuitive. They will understand your emotional tone, know your preferences, offer suggestions before you ask, help you stay organized without pressure. A gentle guide for daily life. 6. AI will help reduce global poverty through automated farming, remote education, microloans, better local resource distribution. AI gives developing countries tools that were never available before. 5. Space exploration will become safer and more achievable. AI navigation will avoid asteroid hazards, map alien terrain, assist astronauts in emergencies, control robotic explorers, analyze cosmic data instantly. AI isn't replacing astronauts, it's protecting them. 4. AI will preserve endangered languages and cultures. AI archivists will record traditional stories, translate ancient texts, teach dying languages, store cultural practices in digital libraries. Nothing will be lost to time. 3. Emotional intelligence in AI will improve communication between humans. AI will help us recognize misunderstandings, calm conflicts, improve relationships, build stronger communities. It's like having a communication coach everywhere you go. 2. AI will be heavily regulated and guided by ethical systems. People fear AI taking control, but the future is moving towards strict global safety standards. International agreements, AI ethics boards, test regulations, transparent development. Government oversight AI will evolve safely and responsibly. 1. The future of AI is more human than technological. The ultimate purpose of AI is not domination or control. It's to support us, uplift us, and make life easier. The future looks calmer, healthier, safer, more connected, more compassionate. AI won't remove what makes us human. It will give us more time to be human. If this list helped ease your mind about the future, let me know which fact relaxed you the most. The future doesn't have to be frightening. With the right guidance, AI becomes something gentle, something that quietly supports our well-being, our creativity, and our world. Before you head out, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you can unwind with more calming videos just like this. And if you want to stay in this peaceful mood, check out my next list, 25 Soothing Facts About the Universe. It's relaxing, beautiful, and it's appearing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.